Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open System Settings and select Touch ID to begin setup now. You will see prompts that guide you step by step. Place the same finger on the power button sensor for about 3 seconds each time. Lift and rest the finger when the Mac requests it during the scan. Repeat until the progress indicator reaches completion and the Mac confirms fingerprint enrollment. You can register up to 3 fingerprints for different fingers or trusted users. Press the Touch ID power button briefly to wake and authenticate quickly. Your Mac will unlock after the sensor recognizes your enrolled fingerprint. Use Touch ID to authorize Apple Pay purchases and App Store downloads securely. For purchases, select Apple Pay and confirm with your fingerprint when prompted. Touch ID also autofills passwords saved in Safari and Keychain without typing long passwords. The feature works off if Touch ID fails to read. Clean the sensor and your finger gently. Moisture, dirt, or cuts can reduce sensor accuracy and cause failed scans. You can remove or reset fingerprints in system settings under Touch ID at any time. For security, the Mac requires your password after sleep, restart, or 5 failed attempts. Consider enabling File Vault and using a strong password to add encryption and layered security alongside Touch ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.